Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the when and where. Pick a short 5–10 minute window that fits your day and attach it to an obvious trigger, like your morning mug or phone alarm. Once done, put a notebook and pen where you will see them, make access frictionless. You do this because small wins build momentum. Make sure to commit to the first tiny session, no long entries, just a sentence or two, and start immediately to create psychological proof. Once you have started, focus on making the middle work. Pick one repeatable prompt, gratitude, 3 wins, or a quick brain dump and follow it every session. You keep sessions brief, set a timer for 5–10 minutes so you don't drift. Over days, notice what prompts stick and adjust. Reflection once a week reveals patterns and motivation. Also, tie journaling to another habit you already do to strengthen the link. Habit stacking accelerates consistency. To finish well, end each entry with a short closing line or a one-sentence plan for tomorrow. This creates closure and makes restarting easier. If you miss a day, don't reset. Do a 2-minute catch-up before bedtime to preserve streaks. Make sure to troubleshoot. When motivation falls, reduce the session to 2 minutes and remove barriers. If you still struggle, revisit timing or the prompt. Small adjustments keep the habit alive and prevent all-or-nothing thinking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.